everyone, this is Divine, your sales executive partner here at Mitsubishi Green Hills. At kung pang negosyo lang rin naman ang inyong hanap, there's no better than the real workhorse. And this is the 2026 Mitsubishi L300. Subok na matibay, maaasahan at pang negosyo. So join me as I do a quick walk around and let's see why is it perfect for you and your business. Let's go! Okay, so starting here at the front, simple yet very functional yung kanyang design. Guys, you just have to understand that this is L300. So, hindi siya more on pang forma, pang negosyo talaga siya. However, I can still say na appearance-wise, presentable pa rin talaga siya. So, you can still use it for personal use or for business use. So, wide ang windshield natin. So, for the point of view of driver, mas malawak, mas malinaw ang visibility, and zero blind spot. So, added safety feature siya para iwas tayo sa mga aksidente. And about our headlights, we have halogen headlights. So, madaling palitan, madaming parts. At the same time, low-cost maintenance siya. And then, we have chrome grills and Mitsubishi emblem. So moving to the side, makikita mo talaga na build for business siya. Box body type and configurable ang design. Pwedeng pang cargo, pwedeng pang delivery or shuttle. So ikaw nang bahala kung saang business mo siya gagamitin. We have 14-inch rims. At isa pa sa panalo dito, hindi ka laging hihinto sa gas station because we have 55 liters fuel tank capacity. Mas mahaba ang biyahe bago mag-refuel. At dito na bumawi ang L300. So, meron tayong available na taillight at metal ang ating step board. So, na-open siya. So, as you can see, very spacious sa loob. Up to 17 passengers ang kakasya, kasama na yung 3 doon sa cabin natin sa unahan. So, ngayon, pwedeng matiklop yung mga upuan natin for bigger cargos. And we have railings na hawakan for the passengers naman. And we have manual sliding window. At the same time, may available tayong aircon. So, pwede itong gawing shuttle or service. Kayong bahala kung saan nyo siya gagamitin. At dito naman sa driver side, very straightforward. What you see is what you get. So, meron tayo dito available na yung sa mga aircon vents natin. Meron na rin tayo dito sa radio. At ito pa, power steering wheel na siya. So, hindi na tayo masyadong mahihirapan pa sa biyahe, even mabibigat yung dala natin. And then, yung upuan, kaya ang 3 passengers dito sa cabin. Comfortable siya, leatherette ang ating upuan. And sa engine natin, 2.2 liters diesel na siya with 5-speed manual transmission. Modern diesel technology na mas efficient at mas malakas humatak. Kahit puno ang karga, hindi bitin, tuloy-tuloy ang biyahe, tuloy-tuloy ang kita. Naghahanap ka na matipid, matibay, at malakas na engine performance? Maybe this is the right car for you. So, meron tayong mga gagandang promos and discount. Message nyo lang ako. And once again, this is Divine, your sales executive partner here at Mitsubishi Green Hills. Thank you for watching, guys!